puppies, first time out. Hello, little ones. You pet his belly. Come on, pups! Over here!
Want me to go get him?
Her.
Whatever.
Yeah, but you're walking on the gravel spooks him. Hey, you! Where you going? Where you going? Look at the tail wagging on you, you little pops. Hey, the tail wagging! The tail waggingest pups I've ever had. Hey, pups! Puppies! Come here! What? What? Ooh, big wind. That's gotta be exciting, huh? So much to smell in the kitty. Sweetie, hey, don't walk so close to him.
Okay.
Hello, puppies!
No, you stay on Little Rabbit.
Tail.
What's the name of that one sitting over there?
Walking into the group.
The one just staring right around the place.
This one?
One with the really not one right there, sniffing the rocks.
Uh-oh, I'm running out of batteries.